Guys, what's up? So a lot has happened on the E30 Restoration 325i. As you might have seen if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, painting has happened. I've already also acquired an engine for that car. I've been fortunate enough to get an engine that comes from the 5 Series E34 325i. Some E34s came with an M20 engine. I was fortunate to get that engine. Cylinder head 2527, the block 2.5. I don't know, guys, maybe it's me, but it comes from a bigger body, so I'm just hoping it's going to perform very well on the E30. I checked the specs online, it's identical. There's really nothing special about the M20 B25 that comes from E34. So to be honest with you, this engine was actually not meant for this emerald green project. I'm still weighing my options. As you can see, this engine has a distributor that's just in front of the cam, which is for later models of the E30 plastic bumpers. So I actually had a project, Calypso Red. I've had this car from 2021, but I had some delays on it, and after painting, it's been parked. So this engine is actually for that car. For the emerald green, there's an engine I'm building. It's a 2.7. I'm struggling with mains bearings. The engineers cut it to a 0.3 size, which is really hard to find. I'll let your boy in the comment section if you know anyone with 0.3 mains bearings. If push comes to shove, we have to cut that crankshaft to accommodate a size of 0.40, which is easily available. I think at the end of the day, I need to bite the bullet and actually make that decision. So this engine will go to the Calypso Red I have at home. It's a 320 body. It's a beautiful body, and you know what? That car has been parked for way too long. So I think I have to put this E34 M20 B25 on that car, and then the engine that I'm building put on the emerald green. So I still have to collect this car from Social Moving. Only see Underground Exclusive still needs to do some polishing on that car. It came out really well. Leave me your thoughts in the comments below. So what had happened is I actually haven't seen the car physically. So I just received videos and pictures. I work really fast, so I'm not really working police on a daily basis. So let me know how you think the car came out. I think it came out really well. I'm still going to take a lot of videos, a lot of content when I'm with the car. Unfortunately, the content that you see right now, it's directly from police. I haven't seen the car myself. But I thought with the little content I have, let me keep you guys in the loop. I know a number of you subscribed just for that project, so I'm just giving you a quick update on that. And then enjoy the content, the videos, the pictures that come after this. I do promise to take proper videos once I'm with the car. I think that will happen once I collect the car from social media. But you know what? Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Share your comments with me. Let's meet on another video.
The man behind the spray gun. The man behind the spray gun. Yeah, number one. Number one. Oh, sorry sama kakak. No. I'm not fun. Yes. Oh. Awalnya gini. Ajo. Yes. Kala fela bafowethu. Kala fela bafowethu. Kala fela bafowethu. Eish. Bula mfana. Eish. Ah, Joe.
watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. Leave me your comments down below. I'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.